In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view historical store data in eBay Seller Hub. To get started, sign into your eBay account and open the Seller Hub platform. This is the main workspace where you can manage your listings, orders, and business performance all in one place. Once you're inside Seller Hub, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all navigation options are visible and easy to access. Next, look toward the top navigation area and click on the Performance tab. This section is designed to help you track how your store is doing over time, including sales trends and other useful business insights. After opening Performance, select Sales. That will take you to the area where you can review sales-related reporting and historical data for your store. Once you're on the sales page, the next step is to adjust the date range filter settings. This is important because it lets you choose the exact look-back window you want to analyze. For example, you might want to review recent performance, compare a longer time period, or focus on a specific custom date range. Choose the range that best matches what you're trying to learn from the report. If you're checking trends, a broader range can be helpful. If you're reviewing a recent change in your store, a shorter custom range may give you a clearer picture. After setting your preferred date range, click Generate Report. This will display your historical store data based on the filters you selected. Depending on the amount of information being processed, it may take a few moments for the report to load, so give it a second if needed. When the report appears, you'll be able to review your historical sales information in a more focused way. This can be especially useful for spotting patterns, measuring store performance over time, and making better decisions about inventory, pricing, or promotions. If the results don't show exactly what you expected, go back and adjust the date range again, then regenerate the report until you get the view you need. And that's it. By going to Seller Hub, opening Performance, selecting Sales, setting your custom date range, and generating the report, you can quickly access your historical store data and better understand how your eBay business has been performing over time.